Good morning. This video is about India Smart Cities Fellowship 2021 and the fellowship is sponsored by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. In this video, I will give you important information which is useful and required like application process, important dates, eligibility and fellowship details. So don't skip the video, watch complete video for complete information. Number of fellowships, 60 candidates will be selected for fellowship of this. A predetermined fraction of fellows will be those whose fellowship will be extended from the ongoing cohort. Eligibility, graduate with first division or minimum 60% marks, or postgraduate with first division or minimum 60% marks, or PhDs from premier institutions or universities. The candidates to be considered for the fellowship should be from institute of repute in the following fields but not limited: urban planning, urban design, engineering and infrastructure, information and technology, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data governance, urban mobility, social development, environment, climate resilience, disaster management, health, finance, education and urban competitiveness. Work experience, preference will be given to persons with work experience in the relevant field supported by published work or policy papers or appraisal or monitoring of projects and schemes. Other attributes: excellent computer skills and the ability to work on ICT applications, strong communications and interpersonal skills. Exposure to data analytics would be an added strength of the candidate. Age limit not be more than 35 years as on the last date of receiving the applications. Role and responsibilities of the candidate who is selected for this project: monthly progress report, quarterly progress presentation, midterm progress presentation, annual progress presentation, project report, compendium report, individual report of the smart city which is you selected. Remuneration: a consolidated amount of 60,000 per month for fellow inclusive of local transport allowance will be paid to selected smart cities fellows. Reimbursement for hotel accommodation of up to 1500 per day and a consolidated amount of 350 per day for travel within the city, and food bills shall be allowed during domestic tours. Location: the fellows will be deployed in New Delhi till their projects are finalized. The fellows may be required to be stationed in any of the smart cities as per requirement. The decision of the project city will rest on the mission director. Period of engagement: the period of engagement will be 1 year. This engagement may be extended up to 1 additional year on the basis of the fellow's performance and behavior with the approval of the mission director. This period of engagement extended depends on fellow's performance and behavior. Award: a certificate regarding successful completion of fellowship shall be issued by the mission director, Smart Cities Mission, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India. In case a person leaves before completion of the contract period, then he will not get any certificate from government. Selection procedure: applications will be invited in a prescribed format online via the web page. The application will be open to the generated public for up to 45 days from the notification. The applications will undergo the necessary scrutiny via checks for deduplication and ineligibility and will be marked based on pre-decided criteria for educational qualification, prior research experience and work experience, provided along with the statement of purpose and concept proposal requested in this online application. The final selection of candidates will be done via personal interviews. The complete selection procedure depends on work experience and educational qualification. So this is all about the complete information about India Smart Cities Fellowship 2021. The official website link is available in video description. Please go there and click that link to apply. Please subscribe my channel for more updates.